If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a JASMY video update today. And FOMC meeting is coming out for Bitcoin at the moment. We do have some breakouts. I don't know if they're going to actually turn this one into a fake out or something, but I think maybe trying to trade or maybe trying to take the trade at the moment could be good actually, and you could possibly get lucky at the moment with JASMY as well. So there is FUD spreading across. Some people are saying that we're trying to make a bear flag, and this actually does look like a bear flag in my opinion, that you're actually coming down here and you've made this sideways movement that looks like a flag, and you can actually end up, coming down to nearly this price level, which is actually going to be 4535. It even could be possible that you do that because you're really overbought at the moment. So I want to see if there's any bearish divergence, and you do have a bearish divergence. Now there's one thing I want to actually tell you, okay, that I didn't tell you before, and I'm not trying to spread any FUD, but it's a real talk. It's something that you guys must consider when trading. Now, number one, RSI is one of the best indicators out there. Anyone who knows about RSI, you must know about RSI all the time. And if I talk about the RSI, of course, we're at the absolute overbought level on the RSI. Really, really overbought. Like, this is not the best time to buy any coin. And based on the RSI indicator, it says that the best time to buy is when you're down at the oversold levels, okay? Anytime you came to the oversold levels, it has been proven to be good to buy on an oversold level, okay? And that's the reason why we even had a massive move to the upside. Now, on a weekly, I still remain, I'm not certain that the bottom is in just yet. I never said the bottom is in, but we're still going step by step, and we still have a threat to come down to 1700 and 2000 as well. But my point now is the RSI has a bearish engulfing because bearish divergence actually. So the RSI, the momentum and the power of the buyers on the RSI, they show weakness, okay? And even though when the prices are moving up like this is bearish divergence, and it might cause this to be a fake out. This is something that I even dive deep into my course, that when you have a breakout, but then you get some bearish divergence, don't get surprised if you don't go to the upside. Do not get surprised. And I personally, I'm not even trading this coin. Does it go up? Fine. Okay. I don't mind. But I'm not going to trade when you have a bearish divergence like that. JASMY has a bearish divergence. If you are going to ignore a bearish divergence, you might burn. So be careful, and that's all that I can say right now. And I'm just going to be extra careful at the moment. Yes, you have bullish divergences and this and that, but this is technical analysis. Considering every scenario is actually important. So basically, it comes down to the confidence level or the probability level. Is this a really big confidence level? Do you have like a big confidence level? I don't think I have a big confidence level, because let's say if you were down here and you made this bull flag, and I talked about the bull flag and the technical target was met, at least the RSI was in the middle, okay? The RSI was in the middle, and you could have even tried to actually get it. The RSI made a continuation pattern, the prices made a continuation pattern, everything was matching. It was so good so far, okay? When you were down here, the prices were already dropped down, and then we also had this oversold level and a double bottom on the RSI. Actually, that was also a bullish divergence, a little bit of a bullish divergence, because we had almost equal level on the RSI, and then we had a little bit of a lower prices on the RSI that caused it to move to the upside. Now likewise, in the opposite direction, you have higher highs and you're making higher lows. That is actually going to cause trouble. It can actually cause trouble. Keep in mind. So hope it makes sense, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.